In She Walks in Beauty, Lord Byron celebrates the harmonious beauty and inner goodness of a woman. The speaker compares her to Starry Night, highlighting her graceful balance of light and dark. Her physical beauty is matched by the purity of her soul, reflected in her serene expression and virtuous character. The poem portrays her as an ideal blend of external elegance and inner perfection, emphasizing the unity of her appearance and personality. In She Walks in Beauty, Lord Byron admires a woman for both her physical and inner beauty, describing her as a perfect mix of grace and goodness. The poem's flowing structure and respectful tune reflect Byron's deep appreciation for both appearance and moral. In She Walks in Beauty by Lord Byron, the poet admires a woman for both her physical appearance and her inner beauty. He uses contrast between light and dark to represent the features of women. Byron's admiration goes deeper than her look. While he praises her outer beauty, he connects it to her inner purity and goodness, suggesting that her appearance reflects her virtuous soul. The poem concludes with the idea that true beauty is eternal. It is more than just physical features and closely tied to one's character and values. This poem teaches us that real beauty comes from within, not just from outward appearance.